right, good morning, folks. So here we are in our morning game plan. We are seeing a nice gap up in our S&P 500 futures, right? If we go to the chart here, let's just bring up S&P 500 here. So if we go to our minis, we continue to see pretty significant bouncing really between what is this, let's just round down a little bit and say 43.50 and 42.50, right? Bouncing back and forth. Looks like we got a breakout today. Let's see if we hold this. The past couple of days we have seen retracements, right? So we would see a gap up and then down, gap down, and then up right throughout the day. And so let's see if this this is legitimate. If it's legitimate, then I think we break out of this and we probably see the volatility that we've seen lessen, right? And we're even seeing a breakdown in volatility here. So over the last, what is this, 6 trading days, 7 trading days, really, we've seen increased volatility. If we continue to see this move in the S&P 500, if it's legit, then we're going to continue to see VIX break down. And so if these both confirm, then I think that we may be in a good spot and maybe we're out of this volatility. We'll see. S&P 500 has to confirm, though. If it doesn't confirm, then I don't want to get too hopeful. We do have some resistance here, about 100 points higher than where we're at now, 80 points higher than where we're at right now. We'll want to see that clear too. If that clears, then we may have all-time highs again in our future. That's kind of technically what we're seeing here. Okay, we have 2 areas of support. Again, this 42.50 has acted as a support. Next support that I have down is 42.25. And then we have quite a ways down before I see the next significant level of support at 38. We probably have some mental support here at 4,000, but we'll see. We'll see what happens here. I do, if we are in a period where we're going to see some level of a significant retracement beyond just this, what looks like a normal, healthy pullback as of right now, then we'll eventually, get to this 3,800. We'll see what happens there. Let's go through our options right now and look at our closing. So we have all of these that I just highlighted that are on the block for today. Anything that is down less than 5 cents has the potential to come off today. So like this FXI might come out and we'll roll that, right? This EEM has the potential to come off and we'll roll that. So IQ has the potential to roll. This, what is this? Wish, a couple here in Momo and Workhorse. And so any of these that are, close to zero, if we can take them off for a penny or 2 pennies, we'll do that, roll out and get an extra couple of days worth of premium on next week's options. Okay. Now, alternatively, something like, let's take a look at this gold. So alternatively, if we have gold and we're down a little bit today, but if we have something like gold right here and we're at 162, this had 10 cents left premium left. If we get less than 5 cents, we're going to look to go ahead and roll this up and out. Okay, so we'll roll this 162. We'll go to 163 and as far out as it takes to get in credit, right? So we're always going to roll up. So 162. If we are above the strikes, if the strike is in the money, we're going to roll this up and out and generate credit. Okay, so that's the key. That's the key there with the credit generation. Some of the others that might, like this S&P 500, if there's no premium, but there is premium left on that one, I know that for sure. Some of these others like NUGT may not have a lot of premium left, but we're seeing really a lot of these are nicely UPRO. I bet UPRO is, yeah, so UPRO is in the money, but with this major gap up here, we're going to have some premium left on this position for sure into tomorrow. So it probably won't do anything, and let's see where that comes. UPRO here, we will roll this up and out. A lot of volatility in these securities, these leveraged ETFs. Okay, as we're looking through the portfolio, Not really seeing anything else. We may, uh, let's see how much premium is left on these. So we have $3,900 worth of premium. We're up 1,400 on these positions. So profit loss open, mark value. So if all these were to go off out of the money, we've got another $4,000 left on the week. And so a lot of good stuff there. Okay, so that's kind of what we're doing. We're just going to watch and see if we can get any of these off today. And that is the game plan. If you have any questions, hit me up in the Discord channel or reach out at Ryan, RYAN, at Sell That Option. Otherwise, let's have a good rest of the week.